Hey guys, it's Val. I'm back again. So I have a really fun video for you guys today. We are cooking an enchilada casserole. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever tried this before, but I make a lot of casseroles. I did this for a long time and it's a lot of fun. Whether you're single or whether you're with someone, you can make it for you and your spouse or you and your entire family. And these are really great dinners that are inexpensive to make. And I think this one all around for two casserole dishes maybe was around $10 or $12, which could actually feed about 4 people comfortably. So let's get started. So one thing that you would need if you're doing ground beef, because you can do chicken, ground beef, or total vegetarian. But for today, I'm doing ground beef. And in this one, I picked 2 pounds of ground beef and I cooked that up into a skillet. And as I'm doing that, I preheat my oven to 375. And then I have the grated cheese that's already pre-bagged. I don't grate my own cheese right now, but I did before. So, and also you want to make sure that you take your casserole dishes and spray them with Pam, or put something in it to where they're not going to stick to the casserole dish. And then you're going to put while your meat's cooking, you're going to put a layer of sauce at the bottom of the casserole. And then once you do that, then you're going to line your tortillas. Now, in this instance, I tried one casserole dish with flour tortillas and one with corn. Now, I did prefer the corn over the flour. I thought the flour would be a great mix, but I really didn't like it that much. I did prefer the corn tortillas, just the way they come off the shelf. So when I put this together, I actually go back to the skillet where I'm cooking the meat. And then I actually take a cup of sauce and put the sauce in with the meat. And then I put a cup of grated cheese as well. And then I mix it up as it's still cooking when it's almost done. And it's all nice and mixed in together. And then you turn the heat off. And then you're ready to load your tortillas, your corn tortillas. So I actually put them flat and I actually put the mixture of the sauce, the cheese, and the meat inside the tortilla. And then I add some more cheese and add some more sauce. And then I roll them really tight. You're going to want to wear gloves because it gets quite messy. And then you lay them very nicely inside the casserole dish or casserole dishes. Once you're done with this, then you're going to want to put some more meat, pour some more sauce, and then put a ton of cheese on there. Now, if you don't like cheese that much, that's okay. You don't have to put as much cheese. And then after you do that and you have everything prepared, then you go ahead and put it inside your preheated oven and you put it in for 30 minutes. Now, mine had to go for an extra 10 minutes, so it went for a total of 40 minutes. And then as you can see, it came out just beautifully. It tasted wonderful. And unfortunately, I just didn't like the flour tortillas. The corn tortillas were the best. And this is something that was really fantastic. It tasted so good. And I have enough for a couple days. Now, I was going to do the video in the kitchen, but my battery kind of wore out, so I had to continue. So I ended up taking photographs. So next time on the next casserole that I do, I will make sure that I will videotape that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys can try this into enchilada casserole. It's something very simple to make for you and your family or you and your other half, and it's very inexpensive, and it'll keep your tummy full. So until then, I hope you guys have a great week, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.